everyone, happy Diwali, happy Halloween, and welcome to the video. And today we're gonna start a new series on two-pointer pattern. So, what is two-pointer pattern? Why it is important? We're gonna discuss on that. So, let's jump into it. So now then, let's take an example of an array. Let's call it nums. The nums array has different items. Let's take it maybe 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 8, and so on. And let's write down the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So far, whenever we write a for loop, for example, let's write a for loop. We're gonna start let I equals to 0, I some condition, and I plus plus, right? And then we do some operations here. So in this kind of example, when we take one index, we increment that index, and whenever we go to every index, we perform some operation. This is a one pointer solution because we are dealing with only one index. But if we initiate two indexes, for example, we did I here, maybe we wrote another for loop here that deal with j index, and we initiate j with 0 or j with some other index, based on some condition. And now we have I and we have another index, maybe j. So when we deal with two indexes simultaneously, that kind of solution, uh, known as two pointer solutions, because simultaneously we move two pointers rather than one, and we do our operations based on the values of those indexes. Maybe we compare those, maybe we based on their values we move or manipulate the pointers, or we shift those pointers to different positions of positions in that particular array, and so on. Uh, for example, see how these two pointer solutions are useful. For example, I am given a array called nums that is a sorted one, maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And someone says me, okay, search for 3, value 3. Then I'm gonna start one index at 0, zeroth index, that is I'm gonna start another index j at the last index, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will do operation based on the index values. For example, I'm gonna find mid, that is like 0 plus 5 by 2, that is 2. Then I find is 2 is greater than 3. No, then I can move my I pointer to the second index, and so on. And by the time I do manipulate, I can find the value, and it is just a log n operation, right? If I do the same thing with one index, it will be OFN, because I will now I will start from 0th index and keep going up to the end until I find this value. And not only this, maybe we need to find water container, or based on the values from both sides. When we only need to consider the max values from both sides, then we can move our pointers and so on. So there is many solutions can be done using the two pointer solutions. The two pointer solutions are one of the mostly asked questions in various interviews. So it is very important for us to understand that. So I already solved many questions using two pointers. So I will try to put all of those in the same playlist, and the additional questions that we're gonna solve also I'm gonna put in the same playlist. So that's that. Hope you guys had a wonderful celebration of Diwali and Halloween. So see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.